So the 2022 United States Disabled Open National Championship is being held at Laurel Golf Club in Lorton, Virginia. This Open Championship is for players with various impairments, whether it be physical or intellectual, that want to come out here and compete in a variety of different formats and different flights. Jason Faircloth, who's the director of the USDGA, has been very inspirational to work with. It's something that he has been trying to compete in different events, and he's kind of loved the game of golf for years and years, to where he saw in the United Kingdom in 2018 they hosted a disabled championship, and so he actually went out there.
So we wanted to create something here in the States that was almost as professional as what they did in England. So that's kind of how it all got started.
My favorite part about getting prepared for this is just seeing the variety of people that have been out here. I mean, you've got guys with one arm, one leg, just amazing people who are playing golf and just getting out of the house and doing. I like to see that. I mean, the pride they have for the game of golf is fantastic.
Well, the United States Disabled Golf Open is a tournament. For me, it brings the opportunity for me to have the social and the camaraderie. A lot of people talk about the health benefits. They talk about the cognitive benefits, how it soothes your soul to go out and play golf. But sometimes it's overlooked at what the social benefit is.
I'm a paraplegic, and I come out and play, and I never think about it every day. I play with my buddies at my home course, and I just play every day. And I come here and I watch everybody in the Disabled Golf Open Championship, and it's heart-wrenching, it's heartwarming, it's inspiring, and it brings tears to my eyes, and it just makes me, love life even more and just get inspired by everything that happens here. And there's no need to complain. You can't. When you watch the people out here and watch what's going on, and the love and the compassion and what's happening here, this is an amazing event. So I'm just proud to be here.